Thing's a rocket, man. What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and today we've got Dan down in his 630 horsepower Seat Leon Cupra. What you saying, Dan? All good, mate?
Man, I reckon you good?
Yes, good, brother. Mate, I am loving the look on this thing. I don't know why, I thought it was gonna be white. I did pull up and just, I don't know why. They're all white, aren't they?
They're all white, yeah, dirty white, and a lot of people hate me for saying that.
Yeah. Mate, it's tiny as well, isn't it?
Yeah. The three doors real small.
Yeah, what you say, around 1360 kilos? Yeah, front wheel drive, 2-litre turbo from factory. Would you say probably one of the fastest in the country?
It's most powerful in the world.
Most powerful, yeah? In the world?
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
Second fastest in the world.
Right, and when you say fastest, is that draggy times or?
Yeah, draggy, yeah.
And what did it do?
5.66, 100 to 200.
Wow, and 630 horsepower, you say?
Yeah.
Where was it built and tuned, stuff like that?
So the engine's forged Ben Parsons at Litco, and then the L560 turbo has the bigger AR housing, and then Dan Little from Litco did some custom porting and polishing on that as well. So it's not an off-the-shelf kind of turbo setup.
So you're saying the Litco 560, that's because I remember with my M5, my GTR, yeah, so the bigger turbo has, does that give you more top end power?
Yeah, more top end. So people say it's a bit more laggy, which it is, but on a hybrid, we're still coming on boost 3,500. So,
wow.
So we're not talking like, full frame turbos 4,000. It's still,
quick spooling,
yeah, quick spooling, really drivable.
And your DSG?
Yeah, DSG.
How's the gearbox? Completely stock or?
Stock gearbox, stock clutch packs, yeah.
Yeah. Any trickery software and stuff?
TVS stage 3.
Okay.
But we're 540 foot-pound.
Wow.
So I think we're on borrowed time on the clutch packs, if I'm being honest. So start saving for that.
How has it been though? Is it slipping a bit or?
No slip. The only issue I've got is in third gear. I think we're hitting a torque limiter sometimes about 6,000 RPM. Okay. So it'll just bounce off the limiter sometimes in third, which is a bit random.
That is crazy. Guys, I'm baffled. Like 630 brakes, stock gearbox. Sorry, you have got a built engine, so forged pistons, rods. Yeah. Was it bearings? You say?
Yeah.
You've done some.
Yeah, whole bottom end.
Yeah.
The only thing we've done on the head is put some Supertech valve springs in just to rev it out.
Yeah.
So in sport we're going to 7.5. In manual we can go to 7.7. So it'll rev out, but we're losing the torque at that top end. So you're trading off really. But
your 630 map, sorry, is it switchable maps firstly?
Not at the minute, no. So
630.
There's only a few tuners that can do switchable maps on these the stalks, but you can get a device and then you can map switch off that. It takes about 5 minutes. Okay. So I had one for the previous tune, but it's locked to the tuner, so it's basically a paperweight. Right.
So this is just 630 and that's it then, right?
630, that's it, yeah. Okay. No boost by gear, nothing like that. It's just full on.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now, Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tyres.
Yeah.
Love the wheels. So people were telling me to go like, is this bronze or?
Yeah, so these are the Revo RF19s. So they call it like a matte bronze.
Mate, that is nice. See, look guys, you can see mine there. I can see why people like, mine look like butter, didn't they? Like, I think that's definitely a bit nicer. And sorry, I don't know if we did mention 8-pot calipers. You say these are for RS?
RSQ3.
RSQ3. And you had to put a 10 mil, 20 mil spacer?
Just a 5 mil spacer on there, yeah.
I don't know what I'm on, guys. Is it standalone ECU, stock ECU?
Yeah, stock ECU.
Right.
Which is CMOS 18.1. We're running MEF 100%.
Okay.
With a 1000cc nozzle.
Right.
So I think the next upgrade is probably to go to port MEF.
And you haven't got a non-methanol map, or it's just the
No, not at the minute. And that's one of the things I do want with the device. So I want a lower boost map and a non-MEF map.
So if you go ripping for the night, how long does that tank last?
Well, this tank lasts quite a while because it's massive.
Right, but under full acceleration, are we talking like 10 minutes of full acceleration or?
I don't know, I've not drained it yet, but.
Oh, jeez.
I mean, it's 18 litres in there, so I think yesterday I probably got it down to about there.
And what was that after having a?
We were kind of out all day, so we're probably doing
That's
about
all right, isn't it?
3 hours worth of driving on the throttle, so.
That's all right. What's the size of the tank, sorry?
18 litres, so
18
just
litres.
like a custom build. It costs about 80 quid all in.
Mate, my M4, my M5, I swear to God, 5 to 10 minutes of accelerate gone.
Yeah, standard AEM one.
Yeah.
Six pulls, 6 draggy runs, dead.
You know.
I couldn't be dealing with having to carry an extra tank of meth in the car.
That is what I was
always checking it, worrying that I was about to run out of meth. Like,
should we get the engine bay up?
Yeah.
Guys, how smart is this, man, honestly?
So like I was saying earlier, these engines are a bit boring.
Yeah.
So it's clean.
What's that, catch can?
Yeah, catch can.
Yeah, downpipe in your turbo back here. And you say it's a stock housing basically, yeah? So you say it's a hybrid, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just hybrid. The AR on the exhaust side is a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
And then we've got the 4-inch track slag, which runs into the 3-inch exhaust system, just
Titanium,
running a res.
isn't it? Yeah. Oh, it's got the titanium colour, isn't it? Alright Dan, should we jump out?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it, man. That was like really filtering through, wasn't it? He didn't even have it. He didn't even fully put it down then, did it?
No, I was feathering it.
I could feel it, man. Like, jeez. Yeah, this is no joke. But this box has got to be saving so much headache with this car.
Yeah.
I mean, if this was manual, it would be way more fun manual, but yeah, it just makes it way more drivable, doesn't it? This is definitely a motorway car, guys. This is like, you got to hit dual carriageways in this to really appreciate it, I reckon.
Roads like this, like, I love driving them, but you're always feathering it.
Jeez, mate. Yeah, that fourth. That was into fourth, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's no joke. Fourth gear. That's a thick power, innit?
Yeah. That's that torque curve.
Jeez, we're going left. Flipping hell, man. That winds up, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Jeez. Yeah. She is a monster, lads. Bro, what the? Obviously, it's got the the typical Golf R sound. I do like them, but it probably removes a bit of the drama. Like your Mark II is probably, I don't know, it was a 180T though, you said, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, this is an absolute flying machine, and the fact we're even, no, not too bad. Yeah, so these are the top of the range suspension, right, Bilstein?
Yeah.
Bro, this thing's a rocket, man. It's a real strong power though, like stock, you know, they're hybrid, aren't they? But it feels more like a big turbo, man. Comes on quick, but stays on strong. Do you know what I mean? And you say it can rev out to 77.
Yeah, full manual mode, 77. Yeah.
What do you reckon you've done on the car, Dan?
Probably what I paid for it again.
So what, 15, 20? I don't know, more?
Yeah, probably in that region.
How do you feel about the car? Are you happy? Any more you want to do? Like,
yeah, my goal was to get over 600 and do a sub-6 draggy, so
smashed it.
Yeah, done that. I think I was saying earlier, need to get port meth on it. Want to do flex fuel as well. See what we'll do on something like an E40. I think we could probably push the time on a bit. Might get up to 670.
Okay. And when you do your 5.6 run, is that full traction or?
Yeah.
It is, yeah. Guys, you ain't gonna believe it. I've gone and left my GoPro. Like, I was gonna do POV drive for you lot, so that's just an absolute flop. Hit stop. Right left, yeah? Jeez. See through here, you really feel the speed a lot more, man. But the fact that you can even sort of, is that wheel spin or?
Yeah.
Bloody hell. So all that time I've been hearing, I thought it was a bloody sound of turbo.
Oh no, the whistling's a turbo.
It is a turbo,
yeah,
okay.
It's whatever Dan did on his machine, and it sings.
It's got a little scream, hasn't it?
Yeah. It doesn't sound like your standard turbo on one of these cars.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, guys, like, you can feel that it's the power, but we're in a modern front wheel drive hot hatch. Like, you know, they're very well built. As he said, the power's being put down very well. He's got best tyres, you know, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. Have you ever thought of R semi-slicks or anything?
Yeah, so I was thinking maybe some Pilot Sport Cup 2s, but I think if you're going to do that, maybe you should just go all the way and do something like that.
Yeah. Anything else you want to add, Dan, before we end?
massive on social media like some people are.
Cool, man. Well, yeah, I'll leave any links in the description. And as always, if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Slow me down like speed humps. Keep up when I speed up. See your future, that's my past. See the smoke when I drive past. Fast lane, living life fast. See a girl, she's in my car. Oh well, that's your girl in my hotel, that's 5 stars. Make the rules disappear.